Hello everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover deployment properties. If you would like to review how to create and launch a deployment run, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Now, each system in a deployment has a set of runtime properties. These properties contain Arcus-defined and user-defined values for use in the configuration and execution of systems. The easiest way to find these properties is to select an available or building deployment run and click the Properties tab on the Overview page. These values you see here are the Arcus-defined properties. These include deployment ID, cloud technology, username, and so on. Now, you also have the option to set custom properties. You can do so when creating a deployment. For example, I'm building a deployment with a Nessus test asset, but I don't need the full report, so I'll specify which chapters to include here under the custom properties. Do vulnerabilities by host and vulnerabilities by plugin. You will also have an opportunity to edit your custom properties when launching the deployment run. If you would like a list of sample custom properties, we have included a link to a very helpful article on our knowledge base with those sample custom properties. When you launch your deployment run, you may have to wait a few minutes for the Properties tab to appear, but if you scroll down under the Arcus-defined runtime properties, you'll find the custom properties you set up when creating your deployment. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our help site, our support page, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.